Want to replace your freezer's display? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What you need: a screwdriver and a new display. Step 1. Remove the old display. Often the display is located in the top of the freezer. Dismantle the top and disconnect the cable from the display. Then remove the display. If your display comes without a new cable, disconnect the cable as well. Step 2. Place the new display. Place the new display in the place of the old display. Tighten the screws again. Reconnect the cable and place the top back in place. Tighten the screws. You have replaced the display and the freezer is ready to use again.